Across the shining sea lies a secret island, a place of stone giants and ancient stories. Today, I, the tiniest explorer, set out on a magical journey. From boat rides to climbing stairs, and monkeys that rule like kings. This is my adventure at Elephanta Caves. Look at all this seawater. I can't believe I am really on a boat. We are in a boat race and boat number 1 is ahead of us. We will catch up with it. Hey Mr. Captain, hurry up please. Let's go. We have to win this race. And the boat is moving. Wow! The Gateway and Taj hotels look so beautiful from the sea. Splash, splash! The water looks like dancing silver. I can see so many boats. Are they part of our race? Or exploring the mysterious seas? Oh, look at the size of this ship. I think the whole Mumbai people can stay there. The boat is rocking up and down, just like a roller coaster. Are we going to an island? Maybe it's full of treasure, or dinosaurs. Mummy says, that's Elephanta Island. Hee, sounds like a magical name already. Mummy points at a crow. Hey Mr. Crow, are you also coming with us to Elephanta Island? I am so thirsty. It's so hot outside. Need some water. Look at that. We crossed such a vast sea and came here. I cannot even see Gateway and Taj Hotel from here. Now I am in the toy train with a cold bottle of water. The train has started. And the view is so nice. Okay, seems we have reached Elephanta Station. Wow! So many shops. Baba is trying the sugarcane juice.
कैसा लगा? मस्त है ना?
Finally, I got some space to run. These shiny necklaces sparkle like candy. I want them all. Oh no, so many steps. My tiny legs are already tired. Wait. Baba lifts me on his shoulders. Yay, now I'm super tall. From up here, I see monkeys jumping and stealing snacks. Hee hee, maybe they are the guards of the cave, making sure only brave babies enter. Okay, I see a car. I want it. I will drive it up the stairs. Now I am sitting on my Baba's shoulders. I feel like I am the king of the cave and I will soon enter my royal court. Wow! We hiked from there till here. I am sure that monkey is here to steal our chips.
मुझे आया देखो
This is the entrance to the magical caves. Mummy says it's hundreds of years old. Maybe we are stepping into a time machine. Whoa, look at those giant statues. They are so tall and beautiful. I am so tiny in front of them. But I am not afraid because they are the protectors and avatars of God. Oh my goodness, look at that! A statue with 3 faces in one body. Is he a superhero with triple powers? Before I leave the cave, let me take a darshan of this large shivling.
हाँ चिप्स खाएगा वो लेके जाएगा उसके लिए आया वो
I see some monkeys again. Can I play with them? Oh no, the monkey doesn't want to play with me. Okay, Kati. No worries, I will just watch the baby monkeys play from a distance.
अच्छा पीछे लटकन है क्या? ठीक है जरा बंदर आया क्या?
Bye bye caves. Thank you for showing me magic and monkeys and stone superheroes. I'll come again when I'm bigger, promise.
क्या हो क्या लिया? कितने में?
I have reached the port and I see monkeys again. Are they waiting for the boat to Mumbai as well? The toy train is coming to pick us up. Let's go. I will take a power nap now. Look! Far away, tall buildings are glowing in the sun. Mumbai is shining like a city made of gems. Our boat is taking me back home, but my heart is still inside those caves, playing with statues and monkeys. Today I learned, adventures aren't just in cartoons, they're carved in stone, waiting for little explorers like me.
सोड आता सोड फक्त हात दो रुको 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 हात दो
चलो चलो कौन बच्चा है
मजा आया
मजा आया बहुत
उल्टी तो नहीं हुई ना
नहीं
And that was my magical day at Elephanta Caves, where even the stones could whisper stories to me. Thank you for watching this vlog. Stay tuned for the next one. And please like, share and subscribe to Prasad Uncle's channel.